Hello, I'm Larry with Propel Automation of Ohio, and we're here today to talk about the Propel sliding door opener. The Propel sliding door opener attaches right to your existing sliding shed or barn doors. One of our key features about the opener is you lose no headroom. Our rail is up above the bottom of your header, so therefore we lose no space up here. Our system attaches right to your existing doors, right here in the corner there. Our controller over here has a transformer in it. We plug into 110, but it converts it to 24 volts DC power. We're then energizing a stationary chain and this rail with 24 volts. So therefore, we got a 24 volt motor up here. The advantages of doing it this way is we have a stationary chain that's not moving. It's not going to wear out on you or get out of adjustment. There's no wires then chasing this motor, so we got a nice clean design. As our doors close, this pin and roller catches this angle iron. It pulls the doors in tight then. So once these doors are closed, it is locked. It's secured on the sides and it's secured in the center there. You're not going to get it open. So now to unlock this, there's no need to go inside your building, unhook those over center latches, and unhook that bar or chain in the middle. All you do is hit your button on your remote. Your doors begin to open up. Once they're open, pull on out, hit the remote again, your door's closed, and they are locked. We have two different modes of safety. One of them is the photocell eye. And what we do, we're shooting a light beam into the reflector. The reason we do that is because we can go all the way out to a 60-foot twin door. And it is very difficult to line a light beam up. With the reflector, it gives us a bigger target. So therefore, it's just easier to line up. Another advantage of the reflector type system, it can handle the dust and spider webs a lot better. Another mode of safety we have is object detection. If the door comes in contact with a blunt object, such as a combined unloading tube or the trailer's not pulled in all the way, the door will come in contact with it and then just back off. What has happened there was the controller had sensed that the motor is trying to draw too much electricity. It then stops the motor and then backs it off. Here's a little demonstration of the photocell eyes. If something passes in front of them, it just opens back up. So on our system, we got to be able to guide this in the wind because you're not there to hold those doors anymore. You're still in the cab with the remote in your hand. So what we have are these high impact nylon guides. And those are positioned every 4 to 6 feet all the way along the outside of the opening. So we're starting to guide that door right from the beginning. If you don't have a concrete apron out there, there is also a yellow track and pulley system that you can attach to your door. On our remotes, what comes standard with it is 2 of these 4-button remotes, and you can program these buttons any way you want to. We got it where the top button does my right door, second button does the left door, and the third button you can do both doors at the same time then. And if you only want to close the doors part way, just hit the button a second time and the doors then will stop. So the 4th button is available for like another opener on another building, somewhere else. It could be a different location. The other opener we have is our wireless wall mount. Typically you'd mount this by your walk-in door. We got it this one programmed right door, left door, and then the small button on the bottom here can do both doors at the same time then. Another remote, one of the options is this keyless entry. Just mount it outside of your door somewhere. You know, it's made to be outside. Put a 4-digit code in and your door will open up. If you just want to walk through your door and not open it up all the way, just put that 4-digit code back in and the door will stop. We have another option. With this device over here, you're able to use your smartphone then as the remote. It requires your Bluetooth off your smartphone to operate it, but it can also operate from long distances if you have Wi-Fi out in that building. And you can also add sensors to the door and a camera on the inside of your building. So if your doors open up, you can get an alert on your smartphone that tells you your doors are being opened, and you'll be able to view what's on the inside of your building. Another advantage of this is you're able to open those doors in for anyone, anywhere in the world where there's Wi-Fi available, and you'll be able to view what's going on. Our system, like I say, attaches just right to your existing door. It makes no difference if your doors are metal or wood. The kit comes with screws to screw into metal or wood. So with the kit, it includes all your brackets, all your screws, all your hardware to mount this. So the system is designed for self-installation. Everything is pretty much a plug and play. There's no special wiring that's needed. We also have a video out there on installation. So I recommend you watch the video even though you would like us to install it. Just watch the video. It makes you understand a little bit more how things work and why they work certain ways. So another way to open and close these doors is this little red button over here on the controller. That can open or close them also. So, and as you notice, each time that door is opened or closed, this little light comes on and illuminates the inside of your building just a little bit to see what's going on, so you're not in the dark. If the power goes out, you would just simply pull this cord, which would be draped along the side here, so you'll be able to reach it by at arm's length. And so you would just pull it, and then you'll be able to move the doors by hand. And so pull it again, and it latches back into place. Again, once these doors are closed, they are secure. So for safety, security, and convenience, there's nothing better out there than the Propel sliding door opener for your existing or new sliding shed or barn doors.